How to make a man miss you. 7 steps that always work on guys. Have you ever found yourself crushing on a guy, but feeling like he's not giving you enough attention? Well, what if I told you there were some simple steps that you can take to make him miss you like crazy? That's correct. In this video, I'll show you 7 tried and tested ways to make a man miss you. These tips not only work like a charm, but they also make you more appealing and irresistible to him. Before we get started, please press that red button to subscribe to our channel and comment, "I subscribe," so we can thank you. Number 7, create some distance. Now you might be thinking, how can distance make him miss me? It may seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. By creating distance, you're actually setting the stage for him to start missing you like crazy. Let me explain how it works. When you're not around all the time, he'll start to miss you and wonder what you're doing. It's like when you're trying to cut down on junk food, you start to crave it more when it's not available to you. By creating some distance, you give him the opportunity to miss you and appreciate your company even more. So how do you create distance without being difficult or rude? Simple. Try not always responding to his messages immediately or initiating contact. Take some time for yourself and pursue your own interests. By having your own life, you'll become more self-sufficient and attractive, making him miss you even more. Remember, creating distance doesn't mean you have to stop spending time together or stop being interested in him. It just means stepping back and giving him the space to pursue you. This will make him appreciate your presence even more when you do spend time together. So give it a try and see how it works for you. Number 6, focus on yourself. Focusing on your life is a crucial step to making a man miss you. That's right. When you prioritize your life and interests, you become more self-sufficient and appealing to him. Additionally, not always being available creates a sense of intrigue and fascination around you, which is irresistible to any man. Putting your life first entails pursuing your own interests and hobbies. That could include spending time with friends and family, pursuing personal development, and achieving your own objectives. As a result, you'll be a more well-rounded person and have more to offer in a relationship. By focusing on your own life, you'll become less needy and clingy, which is crucial because constantly seeking his attention can become overwhelming and unappealing. Instead, you'll achieve a healthy balance of independence and intimacy with him. This will make you more attractive to him, and he'll appreciate the time you spend together even more. When a man sees that you're happy and fulfilled, he will be even more eager to be part of your life. He will recognize you as an asset to his life and start to miss you when you're not around. Pursuing your hobbies and interests adds a layer of unpredictability to your relationship, making it even more exciting. So don't be afraid to explore your passions and make time for yourself. Not only will it make you more attractive to him, but it will also bring more joy and fulfillment to your life. Number 5, be mysterious. Another clever way to make a man miss you is to remain mysterious. You create a sense of intrigue and excitement around you that he can't resist. By withholding some information about yourself, you create a sense of anticipation that keeps him interested and curious about you. To keep him guessing, try not to reveal everything about yourself right away. You don't have to spill all your secrets in one go. Instead, let him discover more about you gradually. This will give him a chance to get to know you better and make him feel more connected to you. You can also add an element of mystery by not always being readily available. Don't always agree to his plans or respond to his messages immediately. This will make him wonder what you're up to and will make him want to spend more time with you. Having your own interests and hobbies is another way to maintain a sense of mystery. By focusing on your own life, you become more attractive and interesting to him. You become someone he wants to learn more about and misses when you're not around. Remember, being mysterious does not mean playing games or being unattainable. It simply means keeping some things to yourself and not always being available. This will make him value and desire you even more. Number 4, make social media work for you. In today's world, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It can also be a powerful tool for making a guy miss you if you use it wisely. The first step is to be mindful of what you post on social media. Posting endless photos of yourself partying or hanging out with other guys can send wrong messages and push him away. Instead, showcase your interests and passions by sharing photos and updates that highlight your unique personality. This will show him that you have a rich and fulfilling life outside of him, making you more intriguing and desirable. Another tip for making social media work in your favor is to limit your interactions with him on these platforms. Refrain from being the first to like or comment on his posts. This will keep him guessing and wondering why you're not always engaging with him. Avoid excessive messaging as well. Save those conversations for when you're together in person. This builds up excitement and anticipation for your next meeting. Lastly, social media can be an excellent way to showcase what you're up to and what interests you. You could write about a new hobby or a recent trip, providing him with glimpses into your life and creating opportunities for conversation when you're together. This will help him see the exciting and dynamic person that you are, making him miss you even more. Remember, social media can be a double-edged sword, so use it wisely to showcase your personality and interests, build excitement, and make him miss you more. Number 3, be confident. Confidence is a quality that can make you incredibly appealing and attractive to a man. When you're confident, you demonstrate that you know your worth and are unafraid to pursue your goals. Being self-assured can be a game changer when it comes to making a man miss you. When you're self-assured, you have your own interests and hobbies, which make you more interesting and appealing. When you aren't always available to him, he'll begin to miss your company and crave your attention. Your independence and self-assurance create a sense of mystery, which makes him want to spend more time with you. Furthermore, confidence implies that you're not afraid to show him your sensual side and be playful in the bedroom. This creates a sense of intimacy, which increases his desire for you. Your self-assuredness and comfort with your sexuality, it can feel desired and wanted, which increases his attraction to you. Furthermore, confidence implies that you're not afraid to speak your mind or set boundaries. When you do this, you demonstrate to him that you value yourself and will not accept anything less than what you deserve. This instills admiration and respect in him, making him miss you even more. Number 2, show interest, but don't chase. This can be a tricky balance to strike when it comes to making a man miss you. On one hand, you want to make it clear that you're interested in him, but on the other hand, you don't want to come across as too needy or desperate. The key is to show your interest in a way that's engaging, but not overbearing. One way to achieve this balance is to be present and engage when you're with him, but also give him some space to pursue you. This means responding to his texts and calls in a timely manner, but not always being the one to initiate contact. By doing this, you're showing them that you're interested in him, but also leaving room for him to chase and pursue you. Another way to show your interest without chasing him is to let him know that you appreciate him, but also have your own life and interests. This will create a sense of intrigue and mystery around you, making him want to learn more about you and pursue you even further. When he sees that you're a well-rounded person with your own passions and hobbies, he'll be even more drawn to you and will miss you when you're not around. Remember, the key to making a man miss you is to strike the right balance between showing interest and not chasing him. By being present and engaged while also maintaining your independence, you'll create an irresistible combination that will keep him wanting more. Number 1, keep things exciting. Relationships can quickly become boring when you fall into a routine. If you want to make him miss you, it's important to keep things unpredictable and exciting. This can create a sense of anticipation and intrigue that will keep him on his toes and make him miss you even more. One way to keep things unpredictable is to mix up your activities and routines. Don't be afraid to try new things or explore new experiences together. Whether it's trying out a new restaurant, going on an adventure, or planning a last-minute weekend getaway, introducing new experiences can keep your relationship fresh and exciting. Varying your communication style is another way to keep things unpredictable. Instead of always texting or calling at the same time every day, try changing things up by messaging him at different times and frequencies. This will make him wonder when he'll hear from you again and create an air of mystery around you. Another way to be unpredictable is by surprising him with physical affection. Instead of always initiating physical contact, try surprising him with a spontaneous hug or kiss. You can create a sense of excitement and passion that will make him miss you even more when you're not around. So keep things interesting and unpredictable, and make him crave your company and attention. To sum up, making a man miss you is about balance. Show interest, but give space. Be confident, yet mysterious. And keep things exciting. These 7 steps can help you build a healthy relationship with your crush. Remember to stay true to yourself, and let us know in the comments if these tips work for you. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.